Hey you guys, it's me being Tori and Cupcake. We just want to say we made it, you guys, and a big thank you. We are at 1,000 subscribers, and we just want to say thank you so much. I have so many people to say thank you so much to, and I'm just on this journey to be a YouTuber, and you guys have helped me so much by the support and everything. So once again, yeah, we are at 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. First, I would like to give thanks to God on the daily for helping me go through this journey, like giving me the He's always there for me. So thank you. Thanks be to God. I first would like to say thanks to my family who are like my first subscribers on my YouTube channel that I had like way in the back. And now I have time to be more consistent, and I know that's helping me. I like to thank out my longtime friend, co-worker. We used to be co-workers. Her name is Esther. She's always watching my videos, commenting, and give me a big like. I also like to thank this other beautiful cat family. Their names are Cats for Nelson. She has shared my videos on her channel. She comments on my videos and gives a big likes to my videos, and I watch her as well. She has so many beautiful cats. One name is Beans. He's my favorite. Oops, don't tell Cupcake. And I'm just grateful, and I'm grateful to you guys for watching me as well. So please keep up the watching, because I got to get those watch hours up, and we're at 1,000. Yay! I didn't think I was going to get to 1,000 to like January or something like that. So I'm very grateful to be here at 1,000. So I'm just going to tell you a little more about my channel. So there's posts. So I know what started first, okay? So first I had this post of Cupcake. I was just posting pictures of Cupcake. She's so beautiful. Right, Cupcake? She's probably gonna leave me. I posted this one picture of Cupcake, and it got like over 1,000 likes. And I was like, is YouTube having like a glitch problem? And at the time I was at like 500 subscribers, maybe 400 subscribers, and I was like, it was really hard for me to like get subscribers, and I was getting subscriber after subscriber. I was like, something's going on. YouTube is having a glitch. And subscriber, so I kept on posting pictures of Cupcake, was just post, and I was getting over 1,000 likes. I was like, Cupcake, everyone loves you. And I just want to say, before Cupcake was on the post, I would do cooking videos, gardening videos, decor videos, and like random videos like that I would do. And so I said, I'm not going to stop that, because that's like my niche. I like to do that. That's what brings me joy. And I hope I can share information with you guys, and maybe you guys can learn something new as well. But I'm going to continue posting pictures of Cupcake. And I thought, not just, post pictures of Cupcake. What if I did videos, facts about cats? Because I like to learn about that too. So what if I did facts about cats? So I decided to do that because I'm trying to help my channel grow. And I know just posting pictures of Cupcake won't help me get those watch hours if I'm understanding YouTube right. And so I said, okay, I'm going to do fact videos. And I said, now I need to do something more. So I said, okay, what can I do with gardening? I could always show how my balcony garden is doing. I could do garden facts, garden education videos to keep that going. I like to cook. So I said, let me just, because I'm trying to change my diet. I've been on a medical journey. I've been trying to lose weight. And I said, I've been eating healthier. So let me share some of my healthy meals that I've been making as well. And then I said, I always like to decorate my home, especially for the holidays, like fall and Christmas is when all my decor videos are going to come out. So I said, I'm going to continue that. So I think I have about 4 niches that I'm going to do, maybe 5, because I'm like random sometimes. So one is going to be Cupcake, of course, and facts about cats. 2 is going to be, there's not particular order that I'm going, but like 2 is going to be gardening, 3 food, 4 decor, and I'm also doing African American history careers, and that's going to be part of, especially in February, I'm going to get those out, videos about my siblings' careers and associate them with African American history as well. So I've been doing a lot of planning, so don't think I won't forget. I've been planning, like I got this at Walmart for on sale at the original cast. So I've been planning, and I've been let me see if I can show you guys. What's this month? So yes, I have a lot of YouTube videos scheduled. Don't mind the X's. I don't know where my brain was at when I was putting these X's, but don't look closely. I shouldn't have showed you guys. So get ready to watch out for those videos. And just once again, I just want to say thank you guys. I feel like I'm getting an Academy Award. But I think 1,000 subscribers is a big goal, and I hope to continue with this goal and become a YouTuber. And my whole thing is to share what I like and send out positive vibes, and what you guys have been sending to me with the beautiful comments. Like sometimes I'm like, I want to cry because like one video I made about African American history, nursing, my sister, and one person commented below, and I was like, first, someone watched the video. Second, her comment was, it was so sweet, and I was like, yeah, that's what I wanted to do with the videos like that, bring education, learn something new, and I'm just happy that I did it. And that one little comment, I have more, but that one comment right there stood out to me and made me smile. I have some more comments that stood out to me. I was like, okay, you can do this, continue doing this, you can do this, you can do this. So hopefully I continue to stay, I don't know if that didn't even sound right. I would love to stay and be a YouTuber, set out the passions of what I love, and just continue on. And hopefully I'm giving people smiles, knowledge, and Cupcake, do you want anything to say? Cupcake, the people want to know. Can you tell them thank you? Can you say thank you? So I would like for you to put emojis. So put a cat emoji if you like cat videos. Put a flower video if you like garden videos. Put food emoji if you like food videos. Put maybe a bow if you like decorating videos. Put a question mark if you like information videos, history videos, and stuff like that. So I would love for you guys to comment down below. Put those emojis of what you like. You can put them all. You can put one. You can put a heart for love and joy. So thank you guys so much. Okay, Cupcake, so we're gonna wrap it up, and are you gonna tell them bye? And by the way, I just love having my Cupcake. My boyfriend got Cupcake for me. Oh, or not just for me, but ever since she's got into our lives, she's been she's purring right now. She's been a blessing. So cats are special. You gotta earn their love. Right, Cupcake? You gotta earn their love and their trust. And she is my BFF. Right, Cupcake? Uh-oh. She wants to play. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.